Hi guys, in this video we will do a quick unboxing of LG Wing smartphone. Yes, a very unique phone introduced by LG globally. So let's start the unboxing. Firstly we will open the box. You can see the smartphone. Now we will put it aside. I am very excited about the box contents. Let's see. We will get a SIM ejector tool inside it and some paper notes. Then we will get a 25-volt fast charger with USB Type-C cable and a UFC Type-C 2 cable provided with 3.5mm jack. Yeah, that is cool. Now finally we will talk about the smartphone. Firstly, we will talk about the phone design. On bottom we will get a mic, USB port and a speaker grill. On right hand side there is a power and volume button. On top there is microphone and a pop-up selfie camera, and on left side there is a SIM slot which is little big. At back there is a LG branding and a triple rear camera setup with flashlight. Now finally let's talk about all the specifications of this phone. It is a dual SIM Android 10 based phone. It has 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display, which is a primary screen, and a second screen comes with 3.9-inch Full HD display with AMOLED panel. The pixel density is 395 ppi. The chipset is very strong, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 760G processor with 8GB of huge RAM. Now talk about the camera. The first camera is about 64 megapixel and the second is 13 and the third is 12 megapixel. The selfie camera is also good, comes with 32 megapixel. It is based on 5G. The smartphone comes with in-display fingerprint sensor, and the battery of this phone is 4000 mAh with 25-watt fast charger. This is for today guys. If you love the video, just like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.